Hey everyone, my name is Steve Jaberi and I'm a product specialist at Frontier Chrysler. I have great news for all car lovers. Frontier Chrysler has 5 2025 Dodge Charger Daytona models coming your way. And who are wondering what a Daytona is, it's an all-electric muscle car offering impressive performance with a scat pack delivering a whole 670 horsepower and the RT providing a whole 496 horsepower. Both trims feature a power shock button for an extra 40 horsepower boost. As battery electric vehicle, it boasts electric dual motors with up to 550 kilowatt of initial peak power. The Daytona's design includes wide body stands, LED headlights, illuminated flat sock badges, while the interior focuses on driver-centric experience with a 12.3-inch touchscreen, heated seats and ventilated seats as well. Safety features such as forward collision warning, blind spot monitoring, and a lot more. But what's exceptional about the Daytona, it actually features the world's first Fratzonic chamber exhaust for an EV, providing a traditional muscle car roar. And the R-wing front aero pass-through for reduced drag and increased stability. It's honestly impressive. I'm so excited that Frontier Chrysler is going to have them on the lot. So what are you waiting for? Book an appointment today. We started taking appointments for test drives. You only have to do is call 250-847-4266 and book yours today. See you soon everyone. Bye bye.